Where are we going?
I'm eating chips.
You eating chips? Say hi to DC family.
Hi, DC family.
Hey, what's up? We're about to teach Chyna how to drive, baby. Ready to drive?
No, I'm really freaking nervous, y'all.
Good move on. We're about to pull up to the police. You went right behind the police.
You really did.
I'm scared, move on. You got this.
I'm nervous, y'all. No. Imagine he's just trying to get in back of you this whole time. Can you keep following him?
Yo, what are you doing? Alright, y'all, that's Booba right there.
We don't know what's going on. We're going on an adventure.
She bugged out.
He's still
Yo, he making us play tag, y'all.
I think he knows where he's at because he's driving real confident.
I'm about to pass this though to me. What he doing?
I'm about to pass him, y'all.
Look at Boo, avoid the camera over there. Yo, what you doing? That's Booba, y'all. Booba made it. Yo, Booba, what's up? See him in the whip. All right, y'all. We about to rotate. I'm about to get in the passenger seat. She about to drive. You about to whip it? You whipping it? Hey.
I'm so nervous.
Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. What's up? All right, we got the ref right here. Judge right here real quick. Judge right here. Matter of fact, hold the camera, hold the camera, hold the camera. I'm going to stay outside the car for this one. Roll the window down. I'm going to stay outside for this one.
Here we go, guys. I believe this is Chyna's first time driving, so we're all like anxious. It's my car. New driver too. Daddy's been a big help.
Yep. Stay right there. Let's be resting. Yeah, you want to walk this up, bro?
Making sure she's comfortable.
Okay. You good?
All
That
right.
feet is on the brake?
I'm so nervous right now. Which one is
Remember in SpongeBob when like he drove with his like big toe?
The left is the brake.
That's what you do. Big
The
toe.
left is the brake.
Brake.
Brake. The right is the gas. Okay. So how can you change gears?
Press this button right here. Right now I'm in park. I have one drive.
Yeah, but how you get to drive?
I have to pull this
Alright, do it. It's not working, right? Your foot always got to be on the brake. That's the wrong one. You done took off. She would have took off, y'all. That's the wrong one. It's on the
Careful.
left.
I was way too ready.
On the left.
I knew that.
Be comfortable.
Sorry, y'all.
Comfort is key.
I'm about to teach her. No, that's just one-on-one. Step one. You see this big parking lot? Show them the parking lot.
This parking lot is massive, guys.
This way she about to learn that.
No way to
All right, man.
make a costly error in this
in
empty parking lot here.
All right, slowly release. Slowly. Just keep it like that. I'm
See
walking
how-
with you. You releasing it faster. I said slowly.
Oh, sorry.
She knows
Tryna
she
be
doing.
out,
She's
tryna be
playing.
out.
Like, she stopped for school. I go. All right, slowly start turning left. While braking too. There you go.
There you go. Woohoo! Light work.
All right, keep turning. Now go straight. Yep, turn it back. Yep. Turn left. Left.
Yep. There we go.
Yeah.
Woo.
Y'all see her? All right, turn left. Turn left.
Easy. Hit the brake. There you go.
Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. All right, go straight. 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 Yep. Turn left. Left.
She making it look easy.
Okay.
She making it look so easy.
Left. Left.
Yeah. Get out of the way of that. Woo!
Alright, come to a full stop.
Easy.
Alright.
Lit, right?
Reverse. Reverse.
Remember, just let go of it.
Back up. Make sure you look in your mirrors. You backing up so you can see how I look. Keep backing up.
Two most important mirrors I say is your left one and the top one.
She out here learning, y'all. She backing up. She got Deshaun, the professional teacher, out here. Got her backing up. Wait, keep going. Circle. Oh, it's starting to rain. Get in your car. Get in your car. Look at Booba. He running. It's starting to rain out here. Y'all, we driving. We driving. All right, back up. Full left. Full left. I'm about to get in the car with her. Y'all, it's raining. All right, stop. You slam on the brake too much. Yeah. All right, go. Follow these arrows. Go get out the parking lot. Driving around the parking lot. Say it was really cars in here. So you would turn right here with no spots. Drive, gas. You gotta gas it. Gas. Turn the two. You turn two to the left. When you make the turn, turn, and now you start bringing it back. And then you turn some more. Now you bring it back. You do all that while you gas it. Got it?
I'm gonna go around.
Make this turn around the pole, yeah. Around the green grass. Don't get too close to the pole.
Okay.
Right here. It's kind of a sharp turn, but straight. Try to stay straight. What if there's cars right here? You need to hit all these cars. Toot, 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 toot. Don't slam the brake right there.
Get nervous.
I know, babe. It's okay. You're doing good. Trust me. All right. Do it again. Same thing. Go around here. Start turning. Back it up. Yep. Boom. I'm gonna tell you when to start turning left. Not yet. Start turning left.
Definitely now.
And you brake. You slow. So you turn too fast. What you gotta do when you turn? Let me show you.
Cause I'm so focused on getting it over with.
What you mean over? Oh yeah.
The turn. I'm like, let me just get it done.
Nah, you gotta be more patient. All right, let go. Drop. You gonna let me control this? You gonna control the gas? Go. Real quick. Go. All right, y'all. Watch this. So brake a little bit as you go into the turn. Gas. Then brake. Once you end the turn, brake, and then when you complete the turn, gas. You gas right now, and then the turn's complete. So turn, brake. Brake. See, that gas. Gas going into it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Go straight. We're gonna do like 5 more minutes. Go straight. Cause we're about to be on ER. On ER. Don't panic.
Don't worry, I see it. I see it.
Okay. Okay. A pro driver right here, y'all. This is her first day. She's doing good. Good job. We're gonna do 5 lessons here, y'all. 5 lessons we're gonna do in this empty parking lot before we take Chyna onto the real road, onto the streets with the demons.
That's, oh my God.
These drivers don't care about nothing, so you gotta pay attention. But you got this. Oh, okay. Maybe 6 lessons.
Mom.
That's all right.
Still did it.
You still did it. All right, slow down. You see traffic, incoming traffic. Hold on, that Booba? Oh, that's Booba. Booba been going in circles too. He practicing, you know, everybody can practice.
Never too much practice.
Gonna bust it right. Oh, slow down. Brake. All right, go straight. Straight all the way down here, and then we're gonna park. Straight.
Wait, I'm gonna move back.
Alright.
She's taking it to the street.
Hell the hell.
Alright. Park. Boom. Good job, honey.
Good job, Mommy.
You see mommy drive? See mommy drive? She did good, right? She was driving with all the kids in the car, y'all. That's how confident I am. She's gonna be a professional driver. Good job, honey.
Saw that. The best teacher.
Thank you.
Until we're on the road.